Hi, Daniel here. If you have a pre-approval or are considering a pre-approval, this message is very important. It could be the difference between getting your finance and not getting your finance. Now, the first thing you're going to have to understand about a pre-approval is what a pre-approval actually is. A pre-approval is when you make an application to the bank and ask them to review your application. So the bank is going to look at it, they're going to consider your income, your expenses, your funds to contribute, and they will then provide you with either an approval or a decline of your pre-approval if you meet the bank's requirements. But understand that a pre-approval is not a certainty of getting the finance. It is a pre-approval based on your situation, as it were, when you put the application in. And why is that important? It is important because you need to understand that if you change anything to your situation, for example, you change jobs, you go from full-time to casual, change jobs, you borrow some money, like you get your credit card or you get a personal loan, all of that may affect your ability to actually get the finance. So remember, the pre-approval is based on your situation as it is now. All right? I had a client, they had a pre-approval, and they decided to borrow some money as a personal loan, and that actually has tipped them over the, listen, what, I can't get the money. All right, so you need to understand, do not change anything. If you have a pre-approval, do not change anything. If you want to change anything, do it after settlement. And if you're really hell-bent on changing things like getting a new job, getting a new credit card, getting a pre-approval, buying a car on credit, give your broker or the bank a call first and ask them, is that going to affect my pre-approval? Okay, so the message for today is, if you have a pre-approval or considering a pre-approval, remember, do not change anything before you settle. If you need to change anything, talk to your broker or your banker. Hope that makes sense. Thanks guys, bye.